Okay, now I show you how you can create, how you can get the information, how you can update the information. I'm going to show you how you can delete the information. Like I want to delete a Mizan from this one. So for that, what I can do, uh, I can delete this row. Like for the delete, then from, like from where? So from the student tables, students table, and after the student tables, I have to specify where. Where means I have to specify thing that is actually doesn't match with another one, like the name. So the name will be where, and the name would be Mizan. Okay, so in here I'm deleting from the students table, and which row is going to be deleted is going to be the Mizan. So that's why I specify Mizan. So give a semicolon and hit enter. So if I try to see right now only Ashik and Jahid information is in here, and I am not seeing the Mizan information in this table. So that's how you're going to delete this one. And you can delete a table also, like you want to delete this table. So if I've used show tables again, see this is student table. Now I want to delete this whole table. So for that, what I have to do, just drop table, then the students table. Now if I see the tables, empty. See, there's nothing. So this is the basic CRUD functionality that you can use, like create, update, get and delete, read and delete and data from MySQL database.